if you're tired of always looking for multiple ways to make money online and you're interested in starting a simple and easy but profitable online business, or even a side also that will typically require little to no investment, then this video is for you. For you to be sure that this actually works, here is a screenshot of how much my friend has made by doing one of these businesses that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, and here is also another screenshot of how much I have made by doing one of those businesses. So if you want to find out some of the most profitable side hustles and online businesses that anyone anywhere can start, then please sit back and keep on watching. Hey love, what is up? My name is Adeshalami, and more often than not, I talk about how to make money, how to grow your money, how to invest your money, and basically how to become financially independent. Now, if those are the kind of videos you're interested in, you want to make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. You also want to make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. That way YouTube can recommend my videos to you whenever you miss out on the notifications. Alright, so the first most profitable online business that is easy to start and can be done by anyone anywhere in the world is selling low content books, and you can simply do this on Amazon. Now, a low content book is a book with little to no content on the interior pages, and they are mostly empty, repetitive, and are filled by the end users. Examples of low content books include notebooks, notepads, diaries, journals, or even coloring books for kids. Personally, I have tons of low content books, and I'm sure you have one of those as well. You are just not aware they are called low content books. Here is an example of what a low content book looks like. Okay, as you can see, it is empty and it is just repetitive. I got this one for about 7,500 naira here in Nigeria, and that's relatively about $7. Here is also another one that is called Life Planner. It is pretty much empty and it is just repetitive. If you go on to Amazon.com and you type in coloring books for kids or even journals, you'll find a lot of low content books, and as you can see here, there are different types of coloring books for kids, and you can also find journals on here, or whatever low content book you want, you can always find them on Amazon. I also have a step-by-step video on how to open an Amazon KDP account here on this channel. You can watch it by clicking on this card above or by checking the link in the description box. So if you want to start publishing low content books, all you have to do is find a profitable niche, do your research, and then design the cover using an app like Canva, and then use an already designed template lines just like this one for the interior. If you'd like me to create an entire book on how to publish your own low content book for free using Canva, let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than glad to film one for you. The second most profitable online business that is easy to start and can be done by anyone anywhere in the world is to start a YouTube channel. Well, if you don't already know, I and a lot of people out there are making quite a decent amount of money just by posting videos on YouTube. Trust me when I say you can make as much as you can imagine here on YouTube, and the trick is to grow your channel by focusing on a profitable niche and by building a strong community. For example, here is how much I made from this video with almost 4k views. As you can see, I have made over $45 since I posted this video, and it is also going to keep increasing as long as people keep watching it. I know it's probably not a lot of money to you, but this is a much more realistic way to make money, especially if you want to start making money in dollars. You can also watch videos here on YouTube to see how much money you could potentially earn by creating videos on this platform depending on your niche. Now, when you think about it, starting a YouTube channel is pretty simple. The hardest part of it is monetizing, but to do that, you need to put out content that people are interested in watching. To get started, all you have to do is create an email address, which you probably already have, download YouTube on your mobile phone or use your laptop, and you will be good to go. If you'd like me to film an in-depth video on how to create your first YouTube video, let me know in the comment section and I will do just that. I mean, anything for you. If you watch up until this point and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. You also want to make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. That way YouTube can recommend my videos to you. All right, so the third most profitable online business that I'm going to be sharing with you, which is the most popular one, is to be a social media influencer. Yeah, starting this is actually very easy, and you can start with literally anything you have and a skill set. I'm sure if you look around you, you'll find quite a number of people influencing you one way or the other. People get paid to dance to artist song, some comedians run paid adverts for brands, and there are even random people on the social media that are paid to review airs, makeup, gadgets, just name it. So to be honest, it doesn't really matter what you do, there is always going to be a niche for you. All you have to do is start. In order to make this make more sense, I asked 3 of my friends, and I'm going to call them friend A, friend B, and friend C. I asked them how much they have made just by being a social media influencer, and here is their response. Friend A makes an average of 500,000 naira in a bad month, and she makes as much as 1.2 million naira in a good month. Friend B makes an average of 200,000 naira for posting a single video on her Instagram or TikTok, and makes an average of 1 million naira in a month. Friend C makes between 200,000 naira and 500,000 naira in the month. And to be honest, the common thing between all these 3 people is influencing, and they get paid depending on how big their personal brand is, as well as how much connection they were able to build. So if you have ever thought of starting your influencing journey, here is your cue to do so. Bear in mind that some of these people even own YouTube channels and other monetizing platforms like affiliates, but either way, it's a win-win situation for them. So what I want you to do is to give one of these side hustles a shot, have a goal, plan towards your goal, and see for yourself how much you will generate from this at the end of the day. When I say day, not like immediately you start. I also want you to know that working this part is tough, so it is very important that you stay tough and you are very determined. So yeah, basically those are the 3 side hustles that I want to share with you. I've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful at any point in time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on post notification bell right beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. Until next time, stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en